or super hard question as well will be, what is 10 minus 4?
21. I'm just kidding.
21?
Yes, it's 21.
Your answer is right. No, I'm just kidding.
I'm just,
10
I'm just
minus
kidding.
4 quickly.
6.
Ah, 6. That's
Yes.
right. Thank you. Look, this is our lesson for today. It's very hard, I know. Manef?
Mister, it's our lesson, really?
Yeah. Manef, what
Oh
is
my
2?
god.
What is 2 plus 2 plus 4? Quickly.
8.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, your answer is not right.
Oh my god.
The answer is 8. Muhammad Sultan?
Mister, I want to ask you two questions.
2 questions?
Yeah.
Here you are.
Now our lesson today is minus and plus.
Yeah.
Can you give me a question of plus, not minus? I don't want
Okay,
minus.
okay. Look at this one. What is
Not
3?
hard.
What is 3
Yeah.
plus 10?
3 plus 10. 13.
You're right.
Yes.
Thanks. Abdel Mohsen, you will get a very, very, very hard question. And you can't do it. You cannot do it. Look.
Bring it on.
5 plus 5 minus 5.
Easy. It's 5.
It's 5, and your answer is right. May someone say, Mister, this lesson is from grade 1. How can you teach us this lesson? The answer is, this is a part from our lesson today. So our lesson today is actually called add and subtract. What do you think? Fractions. Add and subtract fractions. Add and subtract fractions. It's like what I asked you before. The first question will be like that. Look. 2/5, I mean 2/5, 2 over 5 plus 1/5, 1 over 5. How can I add two fractions like that? 2 over 5 and 1 over 5. All what we need is to do another fraction here like that. Check the denominators. Are they the same? 5 and 5? Yeah, they are the same. So what should I do? I have to write the same denominator. Write the same denominator. So add 2 and 1. The two numerators. 2 and 1, 3. This is our lesson today. The answer is 3 over 5. Ahmad Sultan, you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, look at this one. 1 over 7 plus 3 over 7. What is the answer? Do we have the same denominators? Look, what is the denominator here?
Okay.
The number in the bottom. What is the number in the bottom here? Below the line. 7.
Okay.
7.
Yeah.
And what is this number?
7.
7. So can you write 7 again down? And then add 1 and 3. What is 1 plus 3?
4.
4. This is the answer. 4 over 7. 4/7. You got it?
4. Okay.
Thank you. Jamal? Jamal?
Yes.
What is 10 over 15 minus 7 over 15?
I just joined, so I don't really understand.
Look, do we have here the same denominator for both fractions?
Yes.
15 and 15, they are the same. So all what we need is to write 15 again in the answer, down here. Okay.
It's always stayed the same.
Then subtract 10 and 7. What's 10 minus 7?
3.
3. So the answer is 3 over 15. And also you can simplify 3 over 15. You can simplify it. You remember when I teach you how to simplify fraction, you have to divide both numbers by the same number. So you can divide
Yep,
3
I
by
kind
3.
of forgot how to do it.
You can divide 3 by 3 and 15 divided by 3 as well. So 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 15 divided by 3 is 5. So the answer is 1 over 5. If you stop at 3 over 15, I accept it. It's totally right. Danny? Danny? Abdullah?
Yes.
3 over 7 plus 1 over 7 plus 2 over 7. What do you think?
Sorry, teacher. I was talking with my mom because she
No
she
problem.
called me.
No problem. Just join us in the next question. Yes, Abdullah.
3 over 7 plus 1 over 7 plus 2 over 7.
Yeah. What is the first step? You have to check the denominators. 7, 7, 7. The same?
Yes.
Just write it again. Then?
3 plus 1 plus 2.
Yeah, 3 plus 1 plus 2.
3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6.
Yeah, this is the answer. What do you think about the lesson today? So cool. Ahmed Samir.
Hard.
Ahmed Samir. 8 over 11 minus 5 over 11. Okay, Ammar. Ammar,
Yes.
how can you solve this one?
Okay. What?
8 over 11 minus 5 over 11. 8 11th minus 5 11th. Do we have the same denominator? What is the denominator of the first fraction?
11.
11. And what is the denominator of the second fraction?
8.
The denominator.
5.
The denominator.
5.
Denominator, Ammar.
11.
11 the same. So just write 11 again. Don't change it. The denominator doesn't change. Then subtract 8 and 5.
5.
8 minus 5.
Okay.
What is 8 minus 5?
8 minus 5.
Mm-hmm.
3.
3, right. Is it hard?
No.
Okay.
A
Now?
little.
A little, you know? Okay, so let's listen to this video to understand more.
How can you add and subtract fractions with like denominators? Let's find out what fraction of the poster Julie will use to describe the plot.
Abdul Mohsen,
Yes.
just read the example. Jolie?
It's blurry.
Okay.
Julie is making a poster for a book report. The direction says to use 2 over 5 of the poster to describe the setting.
Yeah.
2 over 5 of the poster to describe the poster, and the rest of the poster describe the plot.
Yeah.
What the poster will Julie use to describe the plot?
Yeah. You know, how can we solve this problem? The question is, what part of the poster will Jolie use to describe the plot? Let's unlock the problem.
Let's unlock this problem. We can use a model to help us find out what fraction of the poster Julie will use to describe the plot. There are 3 parts to the book report, but Julie divided her poster into 5 equal parts. There are 5 fifth-sized parts in the whole because the denominator of a fraction tells the size of the parts. How can we shade the model to represent the parts of the poster? These 2 parts represent how much of the poster will be used to describe the setting of the book. And these 2 parts represent how much of the poster will be used to describe the book's characters. What remains is how much of the poster will be used to describe the plot of the book. What fraction of the poster is for the plot? First, add the fractions for the setting and the characters. 2/5 plus 2/5. What's 2/5 plus 2/5? The sum is 4/5. So 4/5 of the poster will be used to describe the setting and the characters. Now, to find the fraction of poster Julie will use for the plot, subtract 4/5 from the whole, which is 5/5. The difference is 1/5. So Julie will use 1/5 of the poster to describe the plot of the book.